The customer came in and mentioned that the check engine light was on. To start the diagnostic process, I connected a scan tool to the vehicle and retrieved the trouble code P0171, System Too Lean, Bank 1 Star. This code typically indicates that the engine is running with too much air and not enough fuel, which can affect performance and fuel efficiency. I performed a road test while monitoring live data from the scan tool. During the test, I noticed that the mass airflow (MAF) sensor parameter was erratic, which suggested that it might be the source of the issue. The MAF sensor is responsible for measuring the amount of air entering the engine, and its data is critical for proper fuel-air mixture calculations. Next, I inspected the MAF sensor wiring harness and connector for visible issues such as damaged wires, corrosion, or loose connections. Everything appeared intact. With the ignition on and the engine off, I used a multimeter to check for voltage and ground at the MAF sensor connector. Both were present, which ruled out a power supply issue. To further confirm the diagnosis, I backprobed the MAF sensor and monitored its signal using a lab scope during another road test. The lab scope readings showed that the MAF sensor signal was erratic and inconsistent, confirming that the sensor itself was faulty and not the wiring or the power supply. The MAF sensor plays a critical role in ensuring the engine runs efficiently by providing accurate airflow data to the engine control module, ECM. When the sensor fails or provides erratic signals, it can cause the engine to run lean or rich, leading to performance issues, increased emissions, and potential engine damage over time. Proper diagnostic steps, such as verifying voltage, ground, and signal integrity, ensure the faulty component is identified accurately. To resolve the issue, I replaced the faulty MAF sensor with a new one. After the replacement, I cleared the fault codes from the system and performed another road test to verify the repair. The vehicle operated smoothly, the check engine light remained off, and no new fault codes appeared. This approach ensured the issue was resolved correctly, restoring the engine's performance and fuel efficiency.